and welcome to today's tip. Now I've got a really simple one here that comes up so effective. It's using your embossing folders and it's using some coloured inks. Now I've got a water-based and a pigment-based ink here, so I've really mixed them up. And what I'm going to do is on your, this is a Stampin' Up one and I don't even know which company this one is, but on either one, it wouldn't matter. There is a raised section of your embossed folder and then there is an indentation. So when it closes, it squeezes the paper together and then you get that print. What you want to go for is the area where the picture is right at the back and the sort of background is sticking up. And what we're going to do is actually stick ink. Now I want mine to be this way. I'm going to do an ombre effect here. I'm just going to add some ink on the top there. I've also got my applicator here just to sort of soften it as it sort of joins the next colour. And then I'm going to go with one lipstick. Now, like I say, I've chosen like a pigment ink and a water ink, so they are going to be quite different. It's come out really, really well. And in fact, I'll show you the layout that I've done with a similar one. This one I just did an ombre effect with the dark going to light. So it looked like sort of a background on a, like a scene, if you like. And that was particularly nice with the trees. But I hope you've enjoyed this tip and I look forward to seeing you next time.